Hi guys, it's Karian Complex Lens, and if you want to see how I got this cute, chic, smoky eye look, make sure you stay tuned. So instead of the normal KBC primer, which I always use, I decided to go with my concealer just because I wanted a more neutral base, and that's going to serve as my primer for today's look. I'm going to take my brown or neutral palette and use the chestnut in that palette to serve as my transition color, and this is going to go above my crease. And with that same palette, I'm going to use the chocolate brown, and this is going to go right at my crease. So you'll see the transition from the black that I'm going to be using to the brown to the chestnut color. Take the black out of my smoky palette and really pack and concentrate that into the center of my eyelid. From there, I'm going to use a blending brush and blend it out to that brown, so that way it's a smooth and gradual transition into my crease color. I'm going to go in and use the Pearl Shimmer color in that palette and just use that as a highlight under my brow bone. One of the basic smoky eye, you could just stop right here, slap on some lashes, add some mascara, and call it a day. But I don't want a basic look. I'm going to take it a step further and add some glitter. Yo, this glitter is everything, like everything. So I'm using Alter Ego glitter in Problem Child. All you have to do is get you a sponge brush, dip it in some sealant, and dip that brush into the glitter, apply it to your eyelid, and it will last all night. You will not be disappointed with this glitter. I promise you. Like, this glitter is life. Like, life. After you're done giving life to your eyes, then you're going to go back in with a slim pencil liner and apply jet black to your waterline. Pause for the cause while I do my foundation routine. The reason why I normally just take a break between that and doing my eyelashes is because I like to bake and I want to make sure that I'm able to get into the crevices of the inner corner of my eyelid before I put my lashes on. And resume. Putting on my babies, my Stalk Me Obsessed lashes, and I am definitely obsessed with these lashes. Out of the 3 or 4 looks that we have, these are my favorite. These are my go-tos. These are what you're going to probably see me in 99.999% of the time. So if you haven't checked them out, make sure you check them out. Equine lashes. They're a lot different than mink. They don't shed as fast. They're shinier. They're lighter. And they really just hold that curl time and time again. I'm going to go in with my slim pencil liner and apply my lip liner. I like to over exaggerate my lips just because I like them to look really, really full and juicy. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm going to go in with my Babylicious lipstick, my Luxe lipstick, and serve life. Next, I'm going to go in and apply my blush. The blush I'm using is Allure Blush Glow. I really like this blush because it does have hints of gold shimmer in it, which kind of gives you that sun-kissed look, even if it's black outside. After that, I'm going to apply my favorite highlighter. This is the Amber Glow Highlighting Bronzer. You can use this as a highlighter by itself. I normally like to apply it to my cheeks, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. If you want to apply it above your lip, it looks great and adds that little extra bit of pop. That's up to you. As you can see, I like to do it, but I love this bronzer. This is definitely a must-have in any makeup artist or aspiring makeup artist kit. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy the look. I enjoyed creating it, and I hope you guys enjoy recreating it. Please make sure you leave comments below, and if you aren't already doing so, please subscribe, like, and follow. I appreciate it. Have fun. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.